Hello everybody, I'm back here with another fan video finally again. This is my 12-inch Panasonic oscillating table fan. This is an 80s fan here, and it was fixed weeks ago. So what happened is that the plastic here broke off right here, and as you can see, I had to get fixed. So what happened months ago, when I tilt the fan up and down, this plastic broke, and it seems to be fragile plastic. It's an older fan from the 80s, so the plastic isn't the best, but it is fixed now, and the fan still works normal. And this fan doesn't seem to be made by Panasonic because of the design here and how cheap the bill quite felt, since I didn't expect this from Panasonic. And it does look like a Galaxy fan from the time. Like, the blades look Galaxy, the entire fan looks like a Galaxy or Lasko table fan from the 80s. And here's the plug right here. It says L&P on there. So let's turn this fan on and go from there. Right here's underneath the fan here, as you can see the label. This one was assembled in Mexico, which seems rare for the Panasonic. Oh, and here's another label here. Yeah, the plastic definitely feels cheap for a Panasonic, but it's still better than the new fans now. Right here are the buttons here. So there you go. Finally gave my 12-inch Panasonic oscillating table fan, and I'm glad I've got fixed. Goodbye.